Nice. Throw another one. Nice. Ah, stupid bird. Oh. Wow. Nice catch. Imagine just throwing a cast net on them. They'd be stuck. Jenna, just throw a handful in the air.
This is gonna be evil.
I want to watch this. It wasn't as good as I thought. Although, look at all of them. Keep throwing it in the air. They sound like chickens.
They're all like, give it some of that.
Jenna, throw a lot again. Jenna, throw a lot towards me. Jenna, throw it all towards me.
Ducky, is he ready?
Throw more, throw more. Throw it. My gosh. Jenna, keep throwing it. Keep throwing it, Jenna. Oh, they're all going back to Jenna. Them ugly ducks.